Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. I am Johnson Ning. Today I will share how to do multiple hibiscus grafting on one hibiscus plant. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So this is the hibiscus rootstock I have here. So first we need to remove some extra branches and extra leaves using a sharp knife or else a sharp cutter. So next we have to take a clean cut on the top using a sharp knife. I'll make it plain. So now the grafting area is ready. So next we have to peel out the skin. Take a clean cut using a sharp knife and make a pocket like this. Do as I am doing here. So I've cut on one side. I'll graft here total 2 grafting of hibiscus. So we can graft it more also, like 2 to 3 or 4 in one hibiscus plant. So I'll make another pocket like this. So total I made 2 pocket here. So I'm going to graft 2 hibiscus branch here. So these are the 2 branch of hibiscus, you can check. So you have to take a healthy hibiscus branch to make a grafting. So we have to remove some extra leaves and extra branches from here. So on the top I'm going to leave some leaves. So after removing the extra leaves and extra branches, we need to cut in V-shape angle. Take a clean cut, remember. So one side I'll cut in halfway like this, you can see here. So now it is ready to be grafted. So I'll put in the pocket I made. Okay, so it is ready now. So I'll do the same for the next branch I have here. So I have used different color branches here to graft in one hibiscus plant. So the best time for hibiscus grafting is during spring or early summer. So if you want to do multiple hibiscus grafting in your home, you can use this process. It is the easiest process to graft hibiscus plant. So now I'll put another branch in the pocket I made. Okay, now it is ready. Let's check here. So next we have to use a grafting tab for binding it. So if you don't have grafting tab, you can use normal plastic to bind it. So remember, we have to bind it tightly. So after we finish grafting, we have to place this in indirect sunlight. If you have greenhouse, you can keep in a greenhouse also. But remember, we have to bind it tightly, not to keep any air gap inside the grafting area. So we have to bind it tightly. If you don't bind it tightly, the water may get inside the grafting area. So if the water get inside the grafting area, the branch may start rotten. So remember not to keep water in the grafting area. So it will take like 30 to 40 days to get successful grafting. So I'll check this after 40 days. So friends, this hibiscus grafting I did like 40 days ago. You can check here, the new leaves has already started coming out. So we can place this now in the direct sunlight. So you can check here from the both sides. So I'll cut the tab gently. So remember, we have to remove the tab gently, not to destroy the grafting area. So friends, just check here, the branch has already stuck to the hibiscus rootstock. So the successful grafting I did, it took only 40 days. So now we can place this to the direct sunlight. So it will take another some days to grow bigger and start giving flower. So friends, this is how I do multiple grafting on hibiscus plant. So if you like my video, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then friends, thank you for watching. Take care, see you in the next video. Bye bye.